I'm a maker of things. I've always been passionate about the way materials come together and detailing. I'm Eric Clough. I have a design firm called 212 Box. We're in Soho, and welcome to my loft. Every project for us is a collaboration with a client. So this time I was the client, and I'm fairly easy to work with. So this was an opportunity to consolidate the furniture we had collected, build new furniture, and then really make this a showcase that I can bring clients over to show, and also a place for beautiful dinners where we can entertain. So this is the main space with the open kitchen, dining room, living room, and there's a reading nook in the corner. In the living room, we brought everything together with this beautiful geometric rug and the slab live edge walnut table. We bought the Rove concept sectional and then just reupholstered the two Saarinen chairs just to give it a little bit more vibrant fabric and texture and color. This tapestry I found in Paul Bear Market. It was full of cigarette burns and runs and things, but we spent a year mending it. It came out beautifully. I am always guilty of putting beautiful marbles in a lot of our projects. So for the dining room, I definitely wanted to do a beautiful marble table. This marble in particular, I had found and purchased the entire block. It's beautiful white with red vein, fairly unique and extraordinary. It's always tough when you have long dinners if you don't have a comfortable chair. This one in particular hugs your body. And the color wasn't by chance. We picked up the rouge from the tapestry and highlights the veins from the white marble. And for our dinner parties, we've got beautiful placemats that we made as one of our products that has outlines of the cutlery, so every fork has its own place. We also had lots of books, so I designed two towering bookcases, one for fiction, one for poetry. And then of course, to celebrate all of literature, we have the Iliad all on one page. So in the kitchen, most of the cabinets were existing. However, we added the peninsula, added the bookshelf, and reclad the fronts of the cabinets in the scalloped walnut. And then I put in a beautiful island with a marble and chopping block inset. This has been really incredible gathering space for all of us, having friends at the bar, and it's become a communal kitchen. So we're in our bedroom, the primary suite, right off the main living area. All this beautiful morning light comes in, so the bed is across from the windows. And again, in here, our design was some new pieces, found objects, and reupholstered items. The bedside tables are antiques that we had re-lacquered below the Constanzina lamps. The sofa was a found kind of beat up sofa in Chelsea that we had reupholstered. That's perfect just across from the bed. And then the rest of the furniture I've been collecting over the years from BDDW, a new table, the lamp, the bench, and the bed, and punctuated with beautiful artwork. It all comes together. Like all projects at 212 Box, including my home, we bring together custom millwork, unique pieces and found objects, tying them all together to form a cohesive design. Thank you for stopping by.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.